How to delete TikTok account permanently. Open the TikTok app and log into your account. Go to your profile by tapping on Profile at the bottom right. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access your account settings. Select Privacy and Settings. Click on the top where it says Account. On the account page, scroll down to find Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. Click on it. This will take you to the deletion page where you'll see 2 options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account permanently. If you want a temporary break from TikTok, choose the deactivation option. If you wish to delete your TikTok account permanently, select Delete Account permanently. On the next page, you'll be asked to provide a reason for leaving TikTok. Choose any option or select Other, provide details, and click Continue. TikTok will then ask if you want to download your data. You can choose to download your data for future reference. Finally, at the bottom, where it says, "By continuing, you've reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account," click Continue. Your account will be deleted in 30 days if you don't sign in again during this period. Keep in mind that deleting your TikTok account is irreversible and all your data will be lost. I hope this information is helpful and see you in the next video.